So alright guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if this is your first time of seeing my content, if this is your first time of viewing my YouTube channel, this is the voice of Zion of Logistics, and the voice you are listening to right now is Samuel Joshua. Alright, so do well to subscribe, do well to join my community, like the video, share the video, and also do well to comment. Alright, if you've gained one or two things, please kindly do well to comment under the comment section. And if you're a return subscriber, like I will always say, thank you guys for coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate the fact that you are always there to watch these videos. All right, so now let's dive properly into today's tutorial. Now, in my last video, I introduced you guys to this Yiwugo website without getting the full gist of how this website works. So in today's tutorial, we are going to be getting everything done from A to Z. So this is the proper introduction to this website. All right, so what you want to do right now is to make sure you watch this video to the very end. Make sure you don't skip any part of this video. All right, so let's get started. All right, I'm going to be linking the link to this website under the description button of this video, so you can click on it and survey the website. Okay, so now this website is accessible both on browser if you are using Safari, if you are using Chrome. Of course, this is what is going to be looking like. Okay, so let me refresh now and see what we have. You can see that I've already refreshed this page. So now let's take it one after the other. All right, let me try to refresh again. Okay, now that I'm done refreshing this page, I want to show you some things you want to know. So to really start from the let me try to zoom in. To really start from this camera icon, this stands as where you can picture search, in the sense that if you are having maybe a sneakers, a shoe, or any product you want to search, maybe you've already searched it in the search icon, you are not getting the results, you can click on this camera icon here. Once you click on it, you are going to be picture searching. All right, in another way around, you can come here, click on this search icon here, search for whatever it is that you want to search. Once you click on it, you click on this search. Unlike 1688, it's still the same thing, but you can see that this is what we have. If you want to download this app, you can click on here, save more on our app. You click on it and it's going to be downloading the app for you. That's another thing you want to know. Now, talking of this website, you can see that these are in different categories. We have different categories in here. So to just save your search, maybe you wanted to search for toys or babies item, you want to click on this first option here, and if you want to see all the category, you click on see all. Okay, so now these are recent developments on this app. These are recent items. Of course, we are going to be clicking on one item to do the proper checkout, talking of the prices, talking of the comparison about their payment method, also talking about the what's it called, the MOQ. These are things we are going to be looking at, but before we can have a proper access, we need to sign up. All right, and how do we get this sign up done? You come to the right hand side of this website. You can see we have sign in. So if you're an existing customer, you want to click on sign in to sign in into this account. But if you want to register, you click on join. But before that, let me take you through a simple arithmetic and a simple method you want to do before we click on sign up. Now, these are general items on this website. Let me try to zoom in. You can see we have their prices, different prices. You see this where we're having these slippers here, we have it for just 4.1 yuan per pieces. Now you can see what we have in here. We can see we have different items here, and one thing I love about this website is you can get them as much as many pieces you want, and everything is in English. You can see right here, and I talk about their partnership. You can see you can also apply for partnership if you are from these countries. We have Lebanon, Israel, Jordan, we have Iran, and Egypt, Israel, Canada, and Malaysia. So these guys are reliable. All right, so now let's start from let me pick an item here. So this is what you should look like if your Yiwugo is not displaying like this. You want to come here to switch to a desktop version here. Okay, so that haven't been done. Let me click on one item here. Okay, so let's make use of this pouch, this iPhone pouch here. So I'll be clicking on it. So clicking on it will open another tab for me. So let me click on this guy and open another tab. All right, so let's wait for this guy to load. Now clicking on this tab, this is the checkout page. Okay, now talking of this checkout page, this is the first thing you want to see. The picture, the display of this picture, we have different sizes. We have the black, and you can see what the blacks look like. This is an pouch. This is a pouch of an iPhone, and this is another color you want to check out. If you want to check out this color, this is what you want to do. Now let's quickly read an instruction. These are things you want to know even before buying anything on this website. Remember, we are still going to be creating an account. Okay, so now this is everything you want to know about this product. That is why I like this product. They are going to be giving you that is why I love this website. They are going to be giving you a full details of the products in English and not in Chinese, because different people have issues in creating their 1688 in translating it. So this website does not need any translation at all. Now you can see that this is the description of this guy here. You can see that they said undertaking orders for production processing for customers, supports one pieces drop shipping. So this you can also drop ship. And what do I mean by drop shipping? This is another topic entirely. All right, now this is Taobao. You can see that we have Taobao here. They are having their drop shipping, their drop shipping on Taobao as well. Now this is the product name. You can see it right here. You can see the product name and the model. You can see that this is Apple series. This simply means that this pouch is working with Apple, and you can see that this is the product material. I bet you can get this on, you can't get this on 1688. So we are doing the comparison now, and you can see that it is high quality. You can see that this is acrylic, right? And this is another product features. It is trending. This is what people is using right now, and you can see that this is their delivery express. This is their delivery method. You can see we have ZTO Express. Now if you are to take note of this, this is a simple logistic company 1688 use. If you check your tracking number, you are going to be seeing ZTO, then the tracking number, right? So this is similar to 1688 as well. And see their delivery time here. This is within 17 hours on the same delivery, same day. So it is possible they deliver your item in the same day. Okay, let me try to zoom in now and see the normal picture, the macro picture of this item. You can even save this picture for your pre-order. You can see that it is clear. It is clear. You can see that is even what's it called, transparent. You can see it. So this is what you want to know before buying this product. This is what you want to check. Okay, now one thing I love about this website, again, let me try to zoom in and show you a certain thing. Now if you still need another inquiry at all, okay, now you come here. If you are not satisfied with the information they provided, let me zoom in. This is where you want to make inquiry. You can see here that we have send inquiry. Now what does this mean? I'm still going to be talking about this price now. If you want to make inquiry about these details, now you know we haven't signed in here. That is why we are still seeing send inquiry. We are still going on, we are still going to be doing the signing up process. Okay, so now let me click on sign make inquiry. This make inquiry, send inquiry simply means that you still want to have more details, maybe the prices, the delivery time, you know, is there already, and if at all they can ship directly to your country even without you using the Chinese logistic people like SkyJet, Sky Cargo, Fish Logistic, Best Logistics and all that. If you don't want to use this thing, maybe you want to make inquiry. Now what you want to do now is to click on send inquiry. Now there is two different methods you can use. All right, this is the first method in here. The second method here is chat. You can see here chat. You can chat this supplier directly on this website. Okay, now for you to have access to chat this supplier, you must create an account first. Okay, but I want you to take note of something again. Now this supplier is having his mobile number here. It's likely this number is on WhatsApp or on WeChat. You can copy this number, chat this supplier to make inquiry. Or but on this app, I will always advise you to use it on the web. So you want to click on chat. Okay, that's the second method. Now if you don't want to do this one, you click on this send inquiry here. You click on send inquiry. Let me click on it now. Okay, clicking on send inquiry will require you to sign up. Okay, this is what I've just said now. Okay, once you sign up, you are going to be getting the full gist. Okay, now this is one thing you want to know. All right, now talking of the prices, okay, talking of these prices, this is one thing you want to know again. Now if you are buying above 500 pieces, they are going to be selling this product for you for just 4.13 yuan per pieces. But if you are buying just 2 pieces to 499 pieces, you'll be getting this price for 4.5 pieces. Okay, and this is the updated price. They updated it for this time and date you are seeing here. So these price are also negotiable. Okay, don't think that this is what you have here and this is what you are going to be buying. That is the more reason you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because in my coming video I'm going to be picking these things one after the other. I'm going to be taking my time to record it. But at this point now, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, do what to subscribe now. If you are having issue in creating this website, in accessing this website, in talking to these suppliers, please, this is why I am here. You want to come to my DM on WhatsApp with this number you are seeing on the screen right now. Maybe you are having issues on 1688 Taobao, Pindodo, or your Alipay account. Maybe you are having issues in connecting your 1688 account to your Alipay account. Please message me on this number. Come to my DM. I'm always available and I reply fast. I will help you get these things resolved. Okay, this is the major purpose of this channel. I want to make African businesses to work. I want to make African businesses to grow. Okay, now let's proceed. So you can negotiate this price. That is one thing I love about this website. Okay, they are going to be giving you, and one thing again about this website is the fact that they are having their verified certificates and documents. Okay, in terms of, before a supplier can even come to yiwugo.com to register their store there, yiwugo.com will protect their image to the extent of getting a government issued certificate from these people. That's the first thing. So you can trade with them. Anyone you are trading with is secured. And this is one thing you want to know. You can see that we are having 2 years here. This supplier has been on this Yiwugo website for 2 years ago. This is one thing you want to take note again. Now once you are done with this website, you want to click on sign in, you want to click on join. So this is the general thing you want to check now, as at for when recording this video, and this is one thing you want to check before you even go ahead in placing an order. Okay, so once you are done with this, you want to click on order. Okay, now let me go back home. I need to show you something again. Let me just click on home. Okay, I want to show you something. So let's wait for this guy to take us back home now. So now after you've already have access to the home, if you are not seeing this, if you are not seeing, let me try to zoom in a little bit. Okay, so now if you are not seeing your Yiwugo displaying in this format, this is the fact because you are not on a desktop version yet. Okay, try to get it on desktop version. Now, about the category, this is one thing you want to know again. Now, for your search to be able to, for you to get a reliable things, I will advise you to make use of this category here. So you click on this see all here. Once you click on see all, it's going to be showing all the categories here. You can see that these are different categories we have. You can see it right here. So this is what you want to do if you want to check out this yiwugo.com. So these are different categories right here. The first one have to do with import car wax. All right, so this is under automobile now. Okay, this have to do with cars, car engines, different things you want to buy. You can see them right here. So the next one, we have fashion accessories. So work with this and stick around with this. Okay, so if you want me to help you fund your Alipay, if you want me to help you buy your, if you want me to procure for you, do what to message me on this number. All right, so now this is where I'm going to be ending the tutorial. So in my coming videos now, I'm going to be showing you how you can register on this website, how you can register on this website, how you can also do well to chat the supplier, how you can make inquiry, what you want to know about the MOQ, what you want to know about the prices. Okay, so do well to subscribe now and make sure you like that video. Okay, so I will definitely see you in my next tutorial about yiwugo.com.